Did you know one single pomegranate tree can produce up to 250 fruits in a season? And this beautiful fruit of paradise can become a powerful income source for farmers. Today, let's quickly understand how successful pomegranate farming is done step by step. Pomegranate grows best in hot, dry climates with cool winters. It needs well-drained, loamy soil and plenty of sunlight. Even drought-prone areas can grow this crop successfully with proper management. Before planting, the land is deeply plowed. Pits are prepared at 4 to 5 meters spacing. Each pit is filled with farmyard manure and compost to ensure strong root development. Farmers usually plant healthy cuttings or tissue culture saplings during the monsoon season. Proper spacing and drip lines are arranged for better growth and easy management. Drip irrigation saves water and delivers nutrients directly to the roots. Regular pruning improves airflow and increases fruit size. For pest control, many farmers prefer neem oil and biofertilizers instead of harmful chemicals. Within 2 to 3 years, the plants begin flowering. 5 to 6 months later, bright red fruits are ready for harvest. A healthy tree can yield 200 to 250 fruits per season, creating strong income potential for farmers. With smart planning and proper care, pomegranate farming can become a long-term profitable venture. This is Discover Agriculture. Like, share and subscribe for more practical farming knowledge and agri-business ideas.